Make a light offering to Buddha, all wishes will be fulfilled. The best gift we can give our parents, children, and loved ones is auspiciousness and illumination. Many Buddhist sutras mention that offering lights to Buddha gains boundless merits and virtues. For example, in the Merits of Light Offering Sutra it is said, "Whoever makes light offerings in the pagodas and temples gains immeasurable wisdom and blessings." In the solemn Buddha halls of Bodhi meditation centers worldwide, the extraordinary lotus lights are enshrined. These lotus lights inherit the pure illumination of the Eastern Pure Land and the limitless brightness of the Western Paradise. People offer the lotus lights to Buddha, expressing their utmost sincerity. The glittering and translucent brightness of the lotus lights reflects the Buddha's face, bringing us auspicious and wish-fulfilling blessings. What exactly are the benefits of making light offerings to Buddha? Grandmaster said, as recorded in the Medicine Buddha Sutra, when you encounter a big problem, if you offer 7 lights for 49 days, the problem will be resolved. Making light offerings to Medicine Buddha at Bodhi meditation will also grant 10 extraordinary merits and virtues as below. 1. Receive a dignified appearance. 2. Receive the power of the divine eye. 3. Gain knowledge, academic achievements, wealth and fortune. The ability to distinguish the right dharma from the wrong. The ability to make right choices, an understanding of causality. 4. Receive illumination by bright lights and stars when in darkness. Guidance from bodhisattvas to walk the right path. 5. Receive health and longevity. 6. Gain wisdom and illumination, perfection in life and career, auspiciousness, and good fortune. 7. Receive protection from all natural or man-made calamities, realize all wishes in future lives, never be born into darkness or among those with wrong views. 8. Receive elimination of negative karma from all past lives. 9. Achieve rapid awakening and supreme enlightenment. 10. Illuminate the world, as does the light of Dharma. By making light offerings to Buddha, gain a promising future and the great blessing of powerful energy. Thus, every step you make is powerful, wise, and courageous. And you can live a perfect life. Offering light to the Buddha tremendously helps career, studies, family prosperity, and fortune. In my understanding, the biggest gain is wisdom. How is wisdom acquired? From the Buddha. These are the great benefits of making light offerings to Buddha. Light offering is one of the 3 auspicious treasures of Bodhi meditation. Many people make light offerings for the blessings. They've had their wishes fulfilled and witnessed numerous miracles. I offered a light for my daughter. She went to study in the UK 5 years ago. The school told her that she had to study language first. She only got 5.5 points in the IELTS exam. The architecture faculty required 6 points. To my surprise, when the results were released, she was accepted. She was admitted to Newcastle University. Her class began with 14 students. 5 of them were let go in the first semester, another 5 in the second semester. Only 4 remained in the class. She was one of the 5 that were let go. My daughter was serious about her studies. She got A-. Meantime, I offered a 49-day light for her. About 2 to 3 weeks later, they let her retake the exam. She passed. Then she applied to 2 other universities. One accepted her for her good grades. They also granted her a scholarship of £2,000. So she transferred to that university, and left the original one. Later, she had a chance for a work visa draw. The success rate was 1 in 1,000. I told her to try. She didn't get it the first time. The second time, I made another light offering. Surprisingly, she got it. That was the third 49-day light I offered. Thanks so much for Grandmaster's help with these situations. Everyone may encounter difficulties. Making light offerings really helps. I think it's very effective. Originally, I was living in Keelung. Due to my son and his wife's jobs, we moved to Taichung together. Also that year, the government adjusted the housing tax, resulting in a very low handover rate. It was a slow real estate market. My house had been on the market for 6 months. One day, I met teacher Wu Zi. She suggested I make a light offering to Buddha for his blessing. I agreed and did that immediately. I sincerely made a light offering. About 2 weeks later, I received a call from my real estate agent. Someone wanted to buy my house, and I needed to return to Keelung. Just like that, my house sold. And it sold at a reasonable price. I was very happy, and also very grateful for Buddha's compassionate blessing. I had a stroke when I was 26. The right side of my body was paralyzed. When it happened, I was sent to the hospital. The doctor didn't find anything wrong with me, and asked if I regularly took a certain medication. I did take the medication to regulate menstrual periods. He said it was a common case abroad, but not in Taiwan. When I attended my first 8.5-day retreat, I felt a huge transformation after the first class. Although I couldn't do the postures as correctly as others, I knew practicing made my legs stronger while walking. It wasn't obvious. Due to my health, my mother worried about whether I would get married. Not many parents would accept an unhealthy daughter-in-law. We made light offerings for about a year, praying for a marriage. Then, I met my husband. Due to my age, my husband wanted a baby right away. At the bathing the Buddha ceremony, Grandmaster said, "If you want to have a child, I'll grant you one." We made a light offering to have a child. I got pregnant in May. It's a miracle.